time and make you listen to a bit more maths, it'd be great.
Okay, so I
Let Felix have a go at his questions first, and then if I have time at the back, and if you are pressing questions to ask, I can entertain one or two. But all the same, thank you for coming on. Don't mind if you turn on your cameras. That's
I'm gonna
the
knife
least
the east side entrance, and then if there's
can
no one there,
do,
then there's
because
no one.
you know, right?
Oh, okay.
She said don't mind. She said don't mind. You don't have to do it.
The only kind of contact we have. That's virtual.
I'm
Can you please turn on your camera? Everybody, please turn on your camera. Okay?
Here.
Thank you.
No.
Thank you. Please turn on your camera.
Oh, Brian, you look so hot.
Oh, there.
Okay, I need to let okay, Tash, you need to turn on your camera. I'm going to let let's see. If you need to share screen, I'll let you share. Felix. Okay, come. Let's begin.
One enemy
Oh,
remaining.
if you want me to share screen, then I need join from like another place.
No, it's okay. You want to share screen or you want to share screen? It's up to you. I don't know what you have prepared for me.
I think you share screen easier.
Okay, what question you want us to look at?
Okay, your EMATS Year 3 Functions and Graphs question 3.
The practice papers, is it?
Yeah, the one under practice. Function and Graphs 1.
Let me direct the boys there first, okay? So for the boys who are looking at the share screen, hang on for a while. I just came back, so trying to get used to it. Hold on.
Not really.
EMATS, is it?
Spike down A.
Functions and graphs. Functions and graphs under practice worksheets. 1 or 2?
1.
1.
One enemy remaining.
Okay.
Flawless.
Which question?
Question 3.
Question 3.
Don't mess up that pretty face, Phoenix.
Shut up, watching that.
I don't know whether there was a typo or not. Wait, let me just check against my solution. Just hang on for a while.
Yeah,
because I think somebody mentioned to me before this one. I cannot recall whether I updated it. Let me just check. Oh, Jonas. Poor Jonas.
Yeah, he did come.
Guide us in, Sky.
Get the solution honestly.
Yeah, but it's easier for the D3 than like learn yourself.
Hey.
Just hang on for a while.
And
So, Zenith and Thaddeus, can you turn on the camera? Jonas, how are you, Jonas?
I'm fine so far.
Very bored at home?
Yeah.
Okay, it's alright. Well, enjoy whatever you do with the boys now. Felix, for those who just came in later,
Spike down,
Felix
B.
asked for me to meet him, so I thought, get a few more boys
Spike
to
planted.
listen in, and then maybe, God knows what will come up in the conversations that we have here. So just pop in. May not have time to answer individual questions.
One
If
enemy
it
remaining.
allows me 1 or 2 more after that. Depends on Felix. Okay, wait, hold on, Felix. I'm not paying
Last
attention.
player standing.
Let me go and get the solutions first.
no,
So for the we are looking at the practice papers. Felix, can you do me a favor? Can you put it in the chat? Are you able to put it in the chat? Do you have a chat feature?
Oh yeah, can.
Yeah, can you put the question in the chat so that at least, I because once I repeat, I forget what I'm supposed to do. Can you just put it in the chat, say that we're doing that question from that paper and etc. details of it, please?
Okay, yeah.
They're not gonna get an inch.
Who's this Felix guy?
He played against me in badminton last year.
Oh, Mrs. President, I'll need to go in like a while because I got math tuition after this.
It's okay, Zenith. You don't have to do it. It's just that if you happen to be, it's actually really for people who have nothing to do with school, right? Just want to listen to a bit of maths, or listen to other people do maths, right? Because not they're taking out the handphone and they play. So it's just that. Okay, Zenith, please go and continue with your help if you need to. Okay?
just realized.
No, it was.
Wait, hold on. I'm lost again.
One enemy remaining. Spike
Okay.
down B.
Have you put it out yet, Felix? The question?
Yeah, soon. I try to send
Functions
now.
will
Just
shape
let them
1.
try to catch me.
Okay.
I need a drop. Cheers.
Question 3. I don't know whether it's the same or not. Okay, now
That's quite easy.
Felix, I'm going to share this
You already got the wait,
screen now, right? You will do a check to see whether it's the same as the one that is in PDF form. Is it the same?
yeah, already what? You already got the factors.
Yeah.
I'm going to type down here. This is under the practice worksheet, practice section, functions,
Nothing wrong.
and
Just your
graphs.
friend is dumb.
Is it the same, Felix?
I think I just sent. Yeah, this one.
Hey.
The -2.
Sorry?
Like this.
Spike down
Okay.
mid.
Yeah, this is a question.
Okay, let me explain how this is done. It is a difficult question. It is a difficult question. In a sense that because now we have to do backward engineering. Normally we give you the function, right? And then we ask you to okay, wait, let me just tell the boys to just pop in. This is the last group I'm going to let in already. Okay, that please turn on your camera. Please turn on your camera. Please turn on your camera. And then so that I can see who you are. Please turn on your camera. That's at least you can help me with that.
Yeah, you did.
Okay, so wait, so where is I can't even see my.
Yeah, she look kind of gay.
I will go bad.
Where is it that I can't see?
That's such an Edward
Something is
move.
wrong. Okay. Hang on for a while.
I will go bad. What the fuck?
Thanks a lot, Felix, for the link. Okay, so what is normal for this kind of questions is normally they give you the quadratic equation, but this question now does the opposite. They give you what we call the roots. These are the roots. The diagram shows a quadratic curve, which can be expressed in the form of y equals to ax squared plus bx plus c, given that the curve cuts the x-axis at -1 and 2, and the y-axis at 4, right? Find the values of a and b. So now is that they reverse the story. Felix, are you with me?
Yeah.
I don't know why I cannot see your faces. There's something wrong with my Zoom now. So, but never mind, I believe you are still with me, Felix. So, so instead of giving you the quadratic function, they give you the roots. So you have to go backwards. So you have to think backwards. How do you think backwards? You think backwards by saying, okay, if x equals to -1 is the root, right? That means in its factorized form, it should be x plus 1, right? For the root -1. And for the root 2, it should be x minus 2. But like that is not enough, you know. It's not enough to solve the sum, right? It's not enough to solve the sum because if you do a quick check, 1 times -2, if you open up the bracket, 1 times -2 will actually give you -2. And -2 is actually the vertical intercept. Is where it cuts the x-axis, y-axis. Now all these things is the C here. It's the C here. Okay? It's the C. All these things we know. It doesn't match, so we make it match. We make it match, Okay. We make it match. So that's why we put the 2. Now, in fact, sorry, I jumped the gun. I actually put the minus first. Why do I put the minus first? Because when I saw the graph and I saw that it was a frown like that, I will put the minus. So so this is the progression of my thoughts. First, I do the roots. Then I put the minus sign because I know it's
a negative graph.
And then to make it match, 1 times -2 gives you -2. See, you don't want -2, you want 4. You want 4, right? So what you do is multiply by -2. Is that clearer?
Because negative.
It's a backward engineer.
He's asking why 2
very
because
interesting.
when you factorize out the 1, when you expand out the 1, 1 times -2 you get -2, but the y-intercept is +4.
There are many ways of solving it. I think
so you
I've
need to
seen
make
many
sure
ways,
that the
but
constant
I have to
at the end
agree
is
this is
+4.
about the fastest.
Yeah.
So the fastest. The subbing way feeling is good when we are not so robust in our algebraic forms. We're not so robust. We can't see from graphical to algebraic. And we're not comfortable with what I just called roots, right? What I just called roots. So if you're not comfortable, then it becomes a chore. But if you're comfortable, it's very fast because it's obvious. So the sub one, I only I'm not correct, but it's very painful. I remember it being some sums are more painful than others even. Some are very okay. Even you sub, it's okay, you know, it's a few short steps. But some are particularly hard. Right? So if for that reason,
I'm on the lesson.
Okay.
The C is always the faces, man.
Okay, I'm going to stop share and find out why I cannot see your faces. You know, I really don't know why. Okay, Kaiser is coming in. Wait, I don't know why I can't see your faces. I'm going to try again. Okay, let me share. Okay, what are the questions there?
Next one is the geometric properties of circles. I'll go send the link inside.
Geometric properties, also under practice.
Wait, is feeling that like called this meeting or something?
You probably did.
Also under practice. Okay. Okay, so geometric properties of circles. Let me share the screen again. For those boys who just came in, please turn on your camera. Anand, please turn on your camera. Kaiser, Tuma. Minimum is for you to turn on the camera. Please turn on the camera, Anand and Kaiser.
Wait, then what's the maximum?
Please turn on your camera, Anand and Kaiser.
To like participate.
Okay, I'm going to move you in the waiting room, okay? Because I feel insecure if I don't have the camera on.
You see, this is what she's like.
So Anand, going.
What?
She's like, I feel insecure. I feel insecure. Okay, please tell me.
I'm gonna let Kieran in. Okay.
Kieran?
Hold on for a while. Thank you, Felix, for sharing. Which sum is it?
Question 1, specifically C and D, but I think just do the entire one better.
Okay, all right, okay. Now, so there we go. Geometric properties of circles. Question number 1. That's what you're looking at now. Okay, so allow me. This will be a little bit long. Let's begin. In the diagram, TP, TQ are tangents. Okay, so